Ma, pa, marami-rami po akong kasalanan sa inyo. Sorry, narinig ko na yung drama eh. Wala, marami talagang kasalanan eh. I'm this pretty. Sabi nung kaklase kong lasing sa med school na nagrereklamo na di daw siya pinapansin ng boyfriend niya. Sabay gumulong sa sahig, nakita yung black and white stripes na panty niya. Bumaksak na kami sa moment nung sa taxi na biglang may tumugtog na ano eh, ang tawag dito. And it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Kasi at that time, we were in our respective other relationships.
Your love doesn't leave me behind in all of the places that I've ever tried. I never could find anyone like you. Your love is a flood.
Carlos, my lover, best friend, and accomplice. Eto na, ikakasal na naman tayo. Our relationship was never perfect, though through it all, I couldn't have asked for a better partner.
All my devotion with all of my heart, all my emotion till death do us part. You my constant, you're my surest thing. For now and for always, my love I will bring. All my devotion with all of my heart, and all my emotion till death do us part. Your love doesn't change like the tide. Your love doesn't leave me behind in all of the places that I've ever tried. I never could find anyone like you. Your love is a flood. Your love is a flood. Your love is a flood.
Thank you for the weirdest 7 years of my life. Never a dull moment kasi sa dami ng personalities mo na meron ka. And most of all, thank you for being the mother of our child. And I promise to be the best father that I can be to our child. Maybe children kung kaya pa ng tuhod. And the promise to be the husband that you deserve.
Standing still.
Char. Bulaklak, tapos ngingiti lang.
Holding these questions
Ganun.
while second guessing what to feel.
Yung kilay ko na tumataas. So, tumatas.
Days keep passing and passing. They've all felt the
Tapos ko
same.
talaga yung mukha.
Alam ko baliktad yung toyo natin. Ako yung mas tupakin sa atin. From those 7 years. Hopefully, I promise to work on it more.
I know that there is purpose in this way. Hope's alive and
bagay, pero
strength is
gumis-
rising in this place. I'm tired and hurting, weary and worried, but I know there's joy up ahead. 'Cause you said the wait won't be wasted.
Pain can cast a long shadow that covers the sun. But the pain of
Tama na to,
reflecting holds a sweet silver lining when it's
Cheers for the
done.
future. Lakas ang blade.
Oh, my heart may be broken, but I'm so glad it brought me to you. Yeah.
I know that there is purpose in this waiting. Hope's alive and strength is rising in this place. I'm tired and hurting, weary and worried, but I know there's joy up ahead. 'Cause you said
you spared him in it.
I will do my best to continuously work on myself and to be the best version of myself for you and Ailey.
Yeah, so I will press on to what lies ahead, though I haven't seen it. Oh,
I promise to always stay faithful and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority.
I know